unveiling a culinary masterpiece, the Monument Grill's 4-burner gas grill. Born in Atlanta, Georgia in 2016, Monument Grills have quickly gained acclaim for their high-performing grills, marrying quality and value in a sleek stainless steel package. This particular model features 4 burners, enough firepower to satisfy the most ambitious backyard chef. It boasts of LED control lights, adding a touch of sophistication to your grilling experience. And don't fret about assembly, customers rave about its simplicity and sturdiness. But the real star is the grill's performance. Heat distribution is top-notch, ensuring your steaks, burgers and veggies cook evenly every time. And remember, a grill is an investment. Consider adding a 3- or 4-year kitchen protection plan for peace of mind. So, fancy a Monument Grill for your culinary adventures? Elevate your cooking experience and embrace the joy of outdoor grilling. Before we go, like, share, subscribe and join us at culinarycrossover.com for more. Grill on, friends!